Alright, we're back. So, we found the old clip. Appears to be mangulated a little bit, which it is, but that doesn't mean we can't fix it and reuse it. It's a matter of doing a little manipulation of the materials. I can square it flat again. Throw what away? Oh, the old brake line, or fuel line? Okay, so we're getting it halfway where we need it to be. A little extra. Okay, you got it where it's flat. You're not sure how flat it is, put it on a table and check it. Okay, now we can see how it's really bent up on that one side, really heavy. So it needs to be squeezed back down. So we got a squeezing tool right here. From our favorite brand of tools. What's that favorite brand?
Knipex.
Nippers. Knipex. This is normally not the one I use here, but we'll make it work. We can do this until it breaks, and then it doesn't work anymore.
Did you say this is the same one that goes on the oil pump inside?
It might be. I'm not sure. Either way, it's going to work here. I'm just going to bend it and manipulate it and make it do what I want to do. Kind of oval shaped right now. Okay, that looks halfway around. Snap ring pliers, sir. Give me the only set you got. That might work. And we'll see if we can make it work. That's the smallest one?
Yeah. Of those, that's probably going to be too big. Those things are just too much.
I'm going to try to make this work.
Have to go to these junks.
See how far these are apart right here? So if you go in there and grind the piss out of these on the inside so they'll close up better, these might work. But the way they are, they don't work very well. But these are also too big to go in the hole.
Yep.
So these don't work at all. Good thing we don't need any of these.
Okay.
What do you got over there? The blue ones.
More junk.
I don't care if they're junk as long as they work. That one's going in the hole. Yeah, that one actually works. Okay, we're going to do the sharp side goes out. So you got dull and sharp. Not tapered, just how it's punched out on a pressing machine. Problem with these is they're too widely spread, but it's alright.
Right on it.
I know, but it's not going. Okay, when we get tired of screwing around the damn thing, we'll just put the damn thing on there without using the damn tool. Which is where I'm getting ready to get doing right now. There we go. Okay, we're kind of in there a little bit. Nope, it pops out. There we go, got it. Lost it. It's right in front of the wheel on the floor down there. Okay, we'll go ahead and put this on its case. Have a chance of breaking it.
Yes, okay. Other ones.
Okay, come over here and hold this up. Be like a C-clamp. Hold that. Try to just slam this thing on down in there. I'm gonna give it one chance with the tool, and I'm just gonna do it with my fingers after that.
Okay.
Assuming I can get it back in there again.
Does it make you feel inside?
My small flat blade. Stick it in the spline.
Yeah, you gotta come up with this side a little bit. There you go.
Problem, the tool doesn't fit in there very well. These big chunky tools, when you want them to hold in, they won't.
Yeah,
Don't
you don't want to let go.
They won't come out. Just push the damn thing down. Hopefully it didn't overdo it. Clip's oversprung. Way oversprung. That's bad. But you can't do, until we get a good pair of pliers, you can't do shit. You have to grind the piss out of all this stuff to get rid of all this extra material, because they're worthless the way they are. It was hung up on the spline, that's why it wouldn't go down, and then overdid the clip to get it to come up, and that didn't work either. There's no way this thing's going to go back on here, I bet.
Yeah, we torqued it getting off the first time.
Got it. Look how much it bent that thing out around. See how much it's bent the piss out of?
Yep.
You can only do this so many times, these things just break the ears off.
Yeah.
Surprised they didn't break it already. But we'll give it some more opportunity to do that. Try it again. Okay, hold this up for me. Fingers. There we go. Didn't feel loose that time. But now we get past the second, then we have less stuff to push against this time. Come on, I'm just trying to go down. Oh, that was down, but it fell off.
Let me hold the back side of it for you here.
And you hold it down.
Right, like that, and then you can walk your two that way. Right. Okay.
Hold it down. Got it?
Yeah, I think so. Get some
hooked on the spline.
You tap that on the top, Tatro.
I don't think that'll work. How do you get my finger way over there?
So we're high right here.
I know it's high. It's on my side, but it's bent already down. There it goes. It's lost its tension. Push up. It's all the way. It's down. Push up. Push up. Am I in the groove?
No, you're high.
Can't be in the groove.
You're not in the groove?
It's hooked on something again. It's another high spot on the spline. There we go. My side's in. This side goes in. There we go. It's tight too. See now it's tight. That'll work. No snap ring pliers works better than snap ring pliers. What a piece of crap. See, it's tight on the groove. See, it's not wandering around, see? It's tight. That's what you want it to be. You don't want it to be loose. It ain't gonna fall out, that's for damn sure. Okay. How's the shift? No drag? Got a little in play?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's perfect.
In place, definitely got some drag on it.
Okay. Oop, snapped thing on the floor, or zip tie. That one. Throw it up top. It's a good one. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that's all the way in. Good. That was almost like zero effort to get that in there. This thing always goes to the wrong side. There it goes. And the spring fell off again. I definitely do not like that design at all.
Frustrating, isn't it?
It is a stupid design.
It really is.
Well, if the spring was made correctly, it'd be fine, but the problem is it's not made correctly. I'd bend it to redo it, but it'd probably break, so
Use the original Harley one.
I don't know if that would work. We could try it, 'cause this one sucks.
Let's see what we think of it.
Yeah. Play with it a little bit. Meantime, we got the pin we need. Right here. So a stop pin here. This is where it belongs, right over here. Do we have any of the 2 to 60 green Loctite? The capillary stuff?
Yeah. I do Tatro, but you know how I feel about it.
Yeah, as long as it does something, I don't care. I need it more for sealer than anything. I just want to seal this thing in so it won't fall out. 260, not 680. Capillary. Otherwise, a little bit of 3-bond to work. I just want to seal these threads so they don't peak fluid out of them. That's 290.
That's all I got. That's my
Wicking grade.
Well, wicking grade. That's everything else.
Maybe that is the right one. It might have been 290 to the 260. I don't remember. That could be it. It's wicking grade and it's piss thin.
Yeah, it's thin stuff. It'll roll right in.
Yeah, that'd be fine. So we're gonna put that on there to seal the threads. I just don't want oil to leak down the thread here. So just put a little on there like that. Going. Like that's a Torx head. You got a big Torx head?
Yeah. This guy. It's got trash trash over it, so let's wipe that off first.
That's good. We like trash in our brand new tranny. Perfect. Trashy tranny. And with a 3/8 rod. This is our stop pin for the shifter. Yeah, that hurt. Hold the case a little bit right here, so it'll lift up. That's all we need. Tight. There you go, sir. What are you shoving it off the table for?
As I drop it on the floor myself.
Oh, that's okay then. Okay, what do we got to hold this with? Oh, great.
Go to the wrong side.
Piece of shit fell down and now it doesn't work. The Torx head. Putting fingers down behind the pin, so it doesn't work now.
Yep.
Stupid design. Watch it fall right back after it's tight.
Right.
Can't pull it. Tight. You're not holding the case very well, but it's tight. You're supposed to hold the corner down, you didn't do it.
We ruined everything.
Okay, where's our fancy spring at? See, this spring here doesn't fall out like the V-twin one does. So let's go ahead and disengage it. I can already see it looks like it's a smaller circle on it. Yeah, this one doesn't even want to come off. That's a good sign already, it doesn't even want to come off. The V-twin one, you can't keep it on.
It's got an end on it, you gotta spring it.
I just close it up somehow.
Okay. Go the opposite, you gotta force it open actually.
Bingo.
Like that.
This one doesn't have that issue.
Good design.
This one's a little bit tighter. This has a lot bigger diameter, so it just falls right off. No, okay. We're on. That'll work. I'm good with that. Okay. That was a lot of effort for very little work being done. Okay, so now we are ready to slam the gear set in there if we had one. Okay. We need some more parts, pieces. We'll be back.